Before you jump into buying SimpleTiger, there are a few things you need to know to make sure it's the right fit for you. Stick with me till the end because I'll be comparing this software to others, giving you insight into how it stacks up, and uncovering some key details that could save you time and money. First off, SimpleTiger has a reputation for being easy to use, and that's a huge advantage when compared to other software options out there. A lot of similar platforms can feel overwhelming with their complexity, requiring a steep learning curve. With SimpleTiger, you're getting a user-friendly experience that doesn't sacrifice functionality. From setting up your campaigns to tracking your metrics, it's designed for efficiency and simplicity. If you're someone who prefers to get to the point, this could be a major benefit for you. Next thing you need to know is that the integration with other tools is top-notch. Whether you're using email marketing, social media platforms, or other CRM tools, SimpleTiger integrates smoothly. Many of its competitors can struggle with seamless integrations, which can cause workflow disruptions. With SimpleTiger, these connections are fast and hassle-free, making it easy to pull in your existing data and scale your marketing efforts quickly. The third thing to consider is its pricing structure. Unlike some alternatives that charge hefty fees for basic features, SimpleTiger offers a more transparent and scalable pricing model. This means if you're just starting out, you're not locked into a high monthly fee. You can get started with a basic package and then scale up as your needs grow. This flexibility is something I don't see from many other tools on the market, especially when compared to competitors who require long-term commitments right from the start. Next, let's talk about automation features. SimpleTiger excels in this department by offering a robust set of automation tools that can help you manage your marketing campaigns with minimal effort. Whether it's automated emails, social media scheduling, or follow-ups, SimpleTiger does it all, saving you time. Many other tools out there claim to have automation, but they often require complicated setups or don't offer the level of customization you need. With SimpleTiger, the automation works out of the box, and you can adjust it to suit your specific workflow. The fifth thing to consider is support. When you're diving into any new software, support is a crucial factor to keep in mind. SimpleTiger provides solid customer service with various resources like video tutorials, an active community, and direct support channels. Some competitors just offer ticket systems that can leave you hanging, but with SimpleTiger, you have plenty of ways to get help when you need it. Moving on, let's talk about its analytics and reporting tools. This is where SimpleTiger shines, offering detailed insights that help you track your ROI in real time. You get a clear picture of how your campaigns are performing, which is essential for any business. When you compare this to other platforms that bury their data under complex charts or charge extra for advanced reports, SimpleTiger gives you all the insights you need at no additional cost. Lastly, the scalability of SimpleTiger is something to note. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a growing team, this software adapts to your needs. It's built to scale without the need for switching platforms as your business expands. Competitors often start to falter once you outgrow their basic plans, forcing you to upgrade to an expensive enterprise solution. With SimpleTiger, that's not something you'll have to worry about. So, if you're looking for a software that combines ease of use, powerful features, and great value, SimpleTiger might be the solution for you. And the best part is, you can try it out completely free by clicking the first link below. You'll get access to exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to dive into SimpleTiger and see for yourself how it stacks up, click that link in the description. Start your free trial today and discover why it could be the perfect fit for your needs.